Introducing the Tempt Glider X Earbuds, your ultimate companion for immersive audio experience on the go. Immerse yourself in non-stop rhythm with an incredible 60 hours of playback time. And when you're in a hurry, a quick 10-minute charge gives you 100 minutes of playtime. Experience silence in its purest form with XNC. Extreme noise cancellation. Block out the world and tune into your beats. Designed to go wherever you go, the earbuds come with IPX6 water resistant for every splash and every drop of sweat. Feel the power of every beat with 13mm bass driver that delivers deep, punchy bass. Stay connected effortlessly with Bluetooth 5.3 for stable, seamless connection. Charging made convenient with Type-C charging for quick, efficient, and ready for the future. Control at your fingertips. Navigate your playlist, answer calls, or activate your voice assistant with intuitive touch controls. Tempt Glider X Earbuds is compatible with both Siri and Google Assistant. Tempt Glider X Earbuds, available now.